In this short video, I'll show you how to convert a string to array using N8N. For this one, what we can do is utilize using ChatGPT to make it easier for us. So basically in my data, if we open it up, my name of my string is fruits and the values are apple, banana, and orange. So basically we'll input those data into ChatGPT. So I'll open ChatGPT right here and basically tell ChatGPT what my data is. It was fruits, apple slash banana slash orange. There we go. Shift enter to go down a few blocks and let's input a good prompt. So something like, can you convert a string to array in N8N parenthesis code node so it knows what we're talking about, period. Please provide a simple solution for me to import, period, based on the example I provided. There you go. Let's wait for ChatGPT to work on the script basically. But since we've given it the idea of our data, it should understand what we're talking about. As you can see here, it's given us a script for us to follow. So once it's given us the JavaScript, just go ahead and copy it. Go back to our node workflow, press plus at the side of your data, type in code using code node right here, and this should pop up. Now in this data right here, just Control Alt and Control V to replace it. Once everything looks right, you can go ahead and press test step to see if it works. And there we go, it works. The result is right here at the right side of the table. You can also go outside and test flow outside and check the output right here. Now you know how to convert a string to array using N8N. You can watch this playlist if you ever get stuck with this problem.